I'm Jay
I'm
and
Violet from Singapore.
hi. I really thank God for this time and for this opportunity to thank for this family and to be part of my life. Life away from home taught me how to entrust all my cares to our Heavenly Father. Thank you.
Hello, Jota family. I'm so blessed to have Jesus in my life and to know all of you guys. I'm so very blessed. I'm so thankful to the Lord because through this ministry can change my life, everything. Thank God and thanks to all of you, mga kapatid. Life is not a bed of roses, but God is always with us. Remember, after the storm, there is a rainbow waiting. So don't retreat, don't surrender, don't give up, don't quit, because God is always with us. He won't leave us nor forsake us. Thank you to the Lord and to all of you.
Happy birthday, Pastora.
And happy birthday, Brother Shen.
And
And happy Thanksgiving.
God bless.
God